So this is the higher 3 horsepower DC inverter. We're going to try it out for the first time. Room temperature 90.5 on that little table in the middle of the room, on that little table thing right there. And we're going to see what that does in 15 minutes. Got a little remote control here. You're going to turn that on at 20. Turbo. Quiet. Turbo. I don't know which is which. It's got a little chill signal up on top. I think we got it on quiet mode. 24. Should have just left it on that one. Okay, let's see what it does. So we're back here. So we've gone down 2 degrees Fahrenheit in about 20 minutes, but the sun is just rocking in through the windows, and the window's open. So actually, I'm going to change that and see how the next 20 minutes does. Okay, folks, with the windows blocked off and the blackout curtains pulled and a regular curtain pulled also, I just had the window tiny little crack open before, so it only took another 10 minutes to cool down 2 degrees with the blackout curtains basically shut like that. And LED lighting. Oh, just dropped another ½ degree. So that went twice as fast with the blackout curtains shut and the other curtain shut and the windows blocked.